Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use our new in-product surveys at Hubble. So let's get started by clicking on this button, enter a title, start from scratch, and then you get this default cover page. You can actually remove the cover page depending on the situation, or you can have the user opt in through a click. You basically get the choice. So let me actually add a couple of questions here. So let's ask about our latest updates. Let's also ask a rating. Very happy, very sad. How um, um, easy it was it to add items to your wish list? Um, very easy, very hard. Okay. And then in the last question, let's change this to multi-answer. So which options are the most important? And then do ease of use, um, price, and then feature set, something like that. All right, now once you're done setting this up, you can just click on the publish button, and then you'll get these configurations. So what you can do is you can actually target a specific URL to get started, which is the most basic option. You can change the frequency as well as delay, the time it takes for the survey to pop out. And then you can publish. So when you go to the target URL, you'll be able to see that the survey that we just created loads here on the right side. A couple of other things I want to demonstrate. So there's also a way to trigger the survey through a CSS selector. You can use different elements for this. You can either specify class name, you can put an ID as well, but I'm going to use a specific type right now and just to demonstrate. So when you change the target to be a CSS selector, you can actually go back to the page and you'll see that when you click on a button, the survey loads contextually. And you can put in specific IDs here. They basically trigger this based on an interaction as opposed to based on a visit, which gives you much more options to be able to ask pointed questions. Lastly, there's also a way to trigger the survey through code, which is a unique feature that we have. So what you can do is specify the ID, and then within your code base, whenever you want to trigger the survey, you can do hubble.show and then specify the ID of the survey that you want to trigger. So here, I'm just going to do it in the console. You'll be able to see here how when I enter this snippet, you can load the survey programmatically. This allows you to trigger surveys based on different conditions, different circumstances. You can decide to show this based on whatever logic you'd like, which gives you a ton of power. Cool. So that is it for the demo. We would love to get your feedback. We would love to have you use it. So please take a look and give us your thoughts. Appreciate it, and thank you so much.